Studying doesn't have to be hard anymore. Thanks to AI, you can now take notes, summarize books, and even get explanations, all in seconds. Here are the top 5 AI tools that are making learning easier than ever. 1. ChatGPT. Your smart study buddy. ChatGPT by OpenAI is more than just a chatbot. It can help you explain complex concepts in simple terms, write essays or outlines, practice for exams with custom questions. Think of it as a personal tutor that's available 24/7. 2. Quillbot. AI paraphrasing and writing assistant. Struggling with academic writing? Quillbot rewrites your sentences to sound more clear and professional. It's perfect for rewording assignments, writing introductions and conclusions, avoiding plagiarism while keeping meaning intact. 3. Notion AI. Organize smarter, not harder. Notion AI combines productivity with intelligence. It can summarize notes, create study checklists, draft content inside your planner. It saves hours of manual work and keeps you focused. 4. Pictory. Turn notes into study videos. Need to revise visually? Pictory turns your text or notes into short, narrated videos. You can use it to convert class notes into engaging visual summaries, prepare presentations with voiceovers. Perfect for visual learners and content creators. 5. Scribr AI. Instant citation generator. Referencing made easy. Scribr AI creates citations and bibliographies in APA, MLA, and more. Just paste the link or text. It handles the formatting. No more late-night citation panic. iTools are changing the way we learn. Faster, smarter, easier. Try these tools today and take your studying to the next level. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more smart learning hacks.